Hi, and welcome back to another day of learning. To start us off today, we are going to talk about science and scientists. So we might be asking ourselves, what is science? What are scientists? It's okay if you don't know what those words mean, which is why I'm going to try and teach them to you now. So first, we're going to start off by reading a story on our screens here with me to learn about what is science and what are scientists. So let's start reading. Let's talk about science. Science is the study of the world around us. What do you think that means? The whole world. There's lots of stuff in our world. Plants, animals, air, water. So science is the study of everything that is on and around the world. Science is the study of space. This science is called astronomy. Science is the study of weather. This science is called meteorology. Science is the study of rocks. This science is called geology. Science is the study of oceans. This science is called oceanography. Science is the study of bugs. This science is called etymology. Science is the study of dinosaurs. This science is called paleontology. Science is the study of plants. This science is called botany. Science is the study of spiders. This science is called arachnology. Science is the study of animals. This science is called zoology. Science is the study of volcanoes. This science is called volcanology. Science is the study of trees. This science is called dendrology. Science is the study of food for our bodies. This science is called nutrition. Science is the study of birds. This study is called ornithology. Science is this and a lot more. What else do you like about the world? What else do you like about the world we live in? Is that science? It is. Science is the studying all things. Plants, animals, rocks, trees, food, so much. And we learn a lot through science. But what does it mean to be a scientist? I know that science can be all of those things that we just read about, but what is a scientist, Mrs. Truman? A scientist is someone who does science. But how does someone do science? What do scientists do? A scientist is curious. They ask questions about the world around us. Scientists ask who, what, where, when, why, how. What questions can a scientist ask about a butterfly? If I were to ask some questions about this butterfly, I might say, how does a butterfly fly? Where do butterflies come from? Those are just a couple questions we could ask about the butterfly. Do you guys have any questions, scientist questions that you could ask about the butterfly? Scientists observe the world around us. That means they look at everything in the world around us to learn more about it. What do you think this girl could be observing? I can't wait to hear your ideas. Making good observations is important for scientists. They look closely at details. Scientists use their senses, looking, smelling, tasting, feeling, and hearing to make observations. Scientists measure. Can you think of something a scientist might measure? Looking at this picture, it looks like this scientist might be measuring this dragonfly. Scientists like to do projects. These are called experiments. Have you ever done an experiment? We will when we get back to the classroom. In experiments, scientists try to answer some of the questions they have. What could this scientist be wondering? In experiments, scientists count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What must scientists be careful to do when they count? They need to make sure they're not losing their place. In experiments, scientists compare. What do you think this scientist is comparing? Maybe different rock sizes or the different rock colors. In experiments, scientists sort. Can you think of another way scientists could sort these shells? So when I look at these shells, I see that they are sorted by their color. All of the white shells are together and all of the colored shells are together. Another way we could sort this is by putting all of the same shells together. In experiments, scientists try different ideas. Sometimes they have to try many times. In experiments, scientists have fun. What do you think is fun about science? After their experiments, scientists communicate or tell what their discoveries are. Why do you think this is important? Because if they just keep it all in their own brain, no one will know the amazing things that they've discovered. Scientists can draw to communicate. Scientists can write to communicate. Scientists can take pictures to communicate. And scientists can collect data and share this with others. To do experiments, scientists use tools. And in another lesson, we're actually going to talk about the different tools that scientists need to use during their experiments and while they're being a scientist. So really quick before we sign off, we were able to know what is science. And we found out that science is studying things like plants, animals, food, and all the world all around us. We also found out what it is to be a scientist and how they study science and record, observe, ask questions, and experiment. So to end us off today, I want to take a look at this picture that tells us the parts of a scientist. Scientists use their eyes for making observations, a mouth for sharing their ideas and conclusions, hands for writing questions, their feet for exploring and investigating the world around them. They use tools to do their experiments, their ears for listening to ideas, and their mind for making wonderful questions and guesses about what they are studying. I will see you later, and I hope that you learned a lot about what is science and what a scientist is.